It's the Sunny and Cecil Show. Keep on learning.
Hi, welcome to Sunny Reads. I'm Sunny and I'm here to talk to you about books that start with V and books that are about Valentine's Day. That way, this February, you can read all great books about Valentine's Day and you can read books about the letter V if you want to learn about V words. Let's get started.
I love to read books, and that is true.
This is a great Valentine's Day book. Where is Baby's Valentine? You can search through the book and look under flaps to see if you can find Baby's Valentine. The very hungry caterpillar. Can you spot the V word? Very. This book is all about a caterpillar who gets so hungry and he eats up all the food and then he turns into I don't want to spoil it for you in case you don't know what very hungry caterpillars turn into. So you've got to read the book. A Charlie Brown Valentine. This book's about Valentine's Day, which, as we've discussed, starts with V. Charlie Brown has a little crush on somebody, but what will happen? I don't know. You'll have to read to find out. If you're like me, you love Pete the Cat. Well, this is Pete the Cat's Guide to Love. Perfect for Valentine's Day. It has lots of great quotes about love and how to be kind to each other. A Visitor for Bear. This is definitely a V book, but I think it secretly fits as a Valentine's Day book too, because Bear doesn't think he wants visitors, but I think he finds some love with his friend Mouse. It's pretty funny. I love Elmo. You might love Elmo too. Well, this book is all about how Elmo loves you. So if you love all the Sesame Street characters, this is one for the books. But don't chink. The very, very long dog. Can you spot all the V's? Very, very, very long dog. I love this book, and I love this dog. Isn't he so cute? But we all come in different shapes and sizes, and this is all about how a long dog learns to get around town with the help of his friends. Viva, Frida. One of my favorite painters in the whole wide world is Frida Kahlo, and this is all about her bravery and how she found the passion to create her art. It also has words in English and Spanish, so we get to learn a lot from Viva Frida. This one's pretty goofy. Vegetables in underwear. It's perfect for all my friends who might still be potty training and learning about the difference between diapers and pull-ups and underwear, and it has lots of vegetables in it, like this kind of vegetable. Do you know what this kind is? I'll give you one hint. It starts with a B, not a V. It's broccoli! Vamperina in the Snow. This is a great book because it's all about my favorite little vampire, Vamperina, and what she likes to do out in the snow. And Vamperina starts with a V. This is one of my favorites. It teaches you how to say I love you in lots of different languages. I don't know what's more perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's see if we can take a sneak peek and learn one of the ways to say I love you. You amo você. Wow, that's how we say I love you in Brazil. This book is Corduroy's Valentine's Day. I just love Corduroy. You might remember him from his original book, where he got bought by a little girl who wanted to sew on his button. Valensteins. This is our last book, and it's perfect for V and for Valentine's Day, because even monsters can fall in love. I hope you enjoyed all these wonderful V books and books about Valentine's Day. And I hope that you keep on reading, because there's nothing better than learning, right? Keep on learning.
Love to read books, how about you? Tell all your friends to read them too. Big books, small books, short books, long books. Keep on learning whatever you do. I love to read books, and that is true. You learn the time you're through. I love to read books, how about you? Tell all your friends to read them too. Big books, small books, short books, long books, keep on learning whatever you do. I love to read books, and that is true. You'll learn so much by the time you're through. I love to read books, how about you? Tell all your friends to read them too. Big books, small books, short books, long books, keep on learning whatever you do. I love to read books, and that is true. You'll learn so much by the time you're through. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Click the button